Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get DoorDash credits. So the first step you need to do is to open DoorDash app, and if you are the new user, you can get the credits to have discount on your order. And here you can see that the different offers are also there, so that you can use to have some credits. Okay, and click on your profile picture. This is another way. So here you can see refer friend get $1. So you simply need to copy referral status, and here you can see get $1 in credit when someone sign up using your referral link and place their first order over $20. Your friend also get $5 off each of their first one order. So it is a win-win situation for both of you. So this is the method that you use to get credits on DoorDash. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.